Hey guys, this week we're just going to show you the install of our new seats and sound deadening in the Patrol, as well as the new carpet. So we showed you the Recaro seats that we ordered for the car, but what we were doing before we put those in, we wanted to strip out all the old carpet because we've actually flooded it a few times in the past. It was still in good condition, we just thought we may as well do it all at once. And also we were putting in, we ordered some of the Ping Jing sound deadener, as well as the acoustic underlay matting for a bit of cushion under the carpet. So we'll just sort of take you through what we've done this weekend to install it. It was a fairly big job, mainly just pulling everything out. The hardest thing was actually all the existing wiring and stuff in the car, making sure none of that was in the way and stuff like that, and also cleaning out the floor.
That's just a little dirty.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks, bud. Look at that mud down there.
There are a couple of little spots with a little bit of surface rust, so we wire wheeled those back. Coated them with a rust converter spray, and then top coated them with a kill rust before we laid any of the sound deadener matting down. It was a pretty big job. It was bigger than I probably expected it to be, and it was about 800 degrees and yeah, 150% humidity, so it was horrible. It's not finished now, but we'll just sort of show you where we're up to, what we've got left to do. This is obviously the middle row of the car. We've still got to trim some of this carpet, the new carpet, to fit around our water system, but it's mostly in. Water pump's bolted down, water tank is bolted back in, which was a bit of a mission. We've just got a few cuts to make in the carpet just to make everything sort of fit in. Also, we haven't cut any of the holes where the middle row seats bolt into just yet. So you can probably see the new seats are in. It was all pretty straightforward. It was just a matter of, we found that with the sound deadener matting underneath and then the acoustic foam, because of the thickness of that cushion, it was quite hard to get some of the existing bolt holes to line up. Okay, so you can see in the front we've bolted the new Recaros into the existing spots. We've just got to fit a few of the final pieces, just the sliders and stuff, and also got to run power to the seats because they've got electric adjustments and heated and cooled. Also we've got to put the plastic sill panels on, trim this carpet up a little bit. But basically we've run the sound deadener as high up the firewall as we could reach. All the center consoles bolted back in. These switches were a bit of a pain just where the old wiring was run, so we've sort of redone a bit of that. So we did have a lot of help from my brother-in-law Shane, who you saw in the tent comparison video. He helped tidy up a lot of the old wiring and stuff like that, and just helped with laying the matting and stuff like that down. We've still got a fair bit left to do. A lot of the kick panel plates, stuff like that, we've got to go back on, sill panels. And we were waiting to see how much we had left over because I'm actually planning on pulling all the door cards off. I'm going to soundproof all the inside of the door card, probably end up retrimming a bit of the fabric and stuff on the higher part of the door trim just to freshen it up and probably match it to the new fabric on the seats just to make it a little bit nicer. We're not going to sound deaden the roof. The main reason for that is I don't really want to pull down all the headlining because it's in really good condition. But later down the track, if ever we have to replace that, we'll end up laying the same stuff up there, but for now I'm not too worried about it. We're looking forward to seeing if it does make much of a difference with the noise, like the road noise. I'm thinking that when we do the door trims will make an even bigger difference as well, because you do get a lot of noise through them. It's a loud car, so it's always going to be loud, but if it can quieten it down a little bit, it's always good. And it does help insulate the car as well. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. We'll do another video shortly when we finish it all off, trim it all up, put the last of the panels on, and also show you when the seats are all wired up and stuff like that. The door trims will probably be done a bit later, and we'll do another video retrimming them to match the seats and that sort of thing. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it for now on this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.